Did you know that not all smoothies are equal after 40? As we age, our bodies require different nutrients to stay strong and healthy. In this video, we'll cover the best 5 smoothies you should incorporate into your diet after turning 40, along with the surprising benefits, potential pitfalls, and insider tips. Make sure to watch until the end to discover a bonus tip that could supercharge your smoothie routine. Should you start your day with a green smoothie for detox? Green smoothies, loaded with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley, are incredible for detoxifying your liver and improving digestion. They're packed with fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, and provide a great source of antioxidants. Drinking a green smoothie regularly helps boost your immune system and promotes glowing skin. However, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Overconsumption of oxalates, found in greens like spinach, may increase the risk of kidney stones, so it's crucial to rotate your greens. An insider tip is to add healthy fats like avocado or chia seeds to aid nutrient absorption, particularly fat-soluble vitamins. People often misunderstand detox smoothies, thinking they offer instant results, but the real power lies in long-term benefits. For those with thyroid conditions, be cautious with raw cruciferous vegetables like kale. Blending your smoothie with citrus fruits like lemon or orange helps to neutralize oxalates and adds a refreshing zing to your drink. Is a berry smoothie the secret to boosting your antioxidants? Berries are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to antioxidants. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, making a berry smoothie ideal for brain health and anti-aging. People over 40 benefit from the high fiber content, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and aids in digestion. A common pitfall, however, is that many people add too much sweetener, which can counteract the health benefits by increasing sugar intake. To avoid this, try using unsweetened almond milk or Greek yogurt as your base. Frozen berries are a great option, as they retain most of their nutrients and give your smoothie a creamier texture. One common misunderstanding is that all smoothies are healthy, but the reality is that hidden sugars can turn a good smoothie into a calorie bomb. A tip is to sprinkle some chia seeds on top for added omega-3s and fiber, perfect for heart and brain health. Can a protein smoothie boost your muscle strength after 40? As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important, especially after 40. Protein smoothies, with ingredients like Greek yogurt, whey protein, and chia seeds, are excellent for muscle recovery and growth. They're particularly effective after a workout, when your body needs protein to repair tissues. However, there are some things to watch out for. Many people over-rely on protein powders, which can cause digestive issues like bloating or gas if consumed in excess. The key to a balanced smoothie is pairing protein with other nutrients, like fiber from oats or fats from avocado. Another common misconception is that protein smoothies should replace meals, but they're best used as supplements to a balanced diet. If you're lactose intolerant, try plant-based protein powders made from pea or hemp. A tip to make your protein smoothie even better? Add a handful of spinach. It won't change the flavor, but will boost your intake of vitamins and minerals, keeping you feeling strong. Is a tropical smoothie the best way to boost your immune system? Tropical fruits like pineapple, mango, and coconut are delicious, and packed with immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. A tropical smoothie is a great way to stay healthy during flu season or after a workout to reduce inflammation. However, many tropical fruits are high in natural sugars, which can spike your blood sugar levels if not balanced with fiber and protein. People often assume natural sugar is harmless, but it's still sugar, so moderation is essential. A helpful tip is to use half the amount of fruit and balance it out with spinach or kale, which adds nutrients without extra sugar. Another trick is to add anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric or ginger for an extra health boost. If you have any gastrointestinal issues like acid reflux, you may want to skip high-acid fruits like pineapple. Balance is the key. Pair your tropical smoothie with protein or healthy fats to avoid sugar crashes. Can a beetroot smoothie improve your heart health? Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse, especially for those looking to improve cardiovascular health. Beetroot contains nitrates that help increase nitric oxide levels in the body, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. For people over 40, this can be a game changer for heart health. One of the biggest challenges with beetroot smoothies, however, is the earthy taste, which can be off-putting for some. To counter this, try blending it with apple, carrot, or a splash of lemon juice. Another common misconception is that beetroot smoothies might cause a pink tint in urine, which can be alarming but is completely harmless. For those on blood pressure medications or blood thinners, Consult your doctor before incorporating too much beetroot, as it can interact with these drugs. Adding a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can help mask the earthy flavor while enhancing the smoothie's overall taste. Be sure to add a healthy fat like coconut milk for better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Can smoothies help with joint pain after 40? Joint pain and inflammation often become more noticeable after 40, but certain smoothies can help alleviate these symptoms. A blend of turmeric, ginger, and flax seeds is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce joint stiffness and pain. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, but it's not easily absorbed by the body on its own. Here's a trick. Add a pinch of black pepper to your smoothie. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. People often assume that more turmeric equals better results, but even small amounts can be effective. Be mindful of overloading your smoothie with too many anti-inflammatory ingredients, as they can cause stomach irritation if consumed in large quantities. A tip to balance the flavor is to pair your turmeric smoothie with pineapple or mango for a sweet and tangy twist. Adding a handful of chia seeds provides omega-3s, which also help reduce inflammation and promote joint health. Is coconut water the hydrating key to your post-workout smoothie? Coconut water is often called nature's sports drink due to its high levels of potassium and electrolytes. After a workout, it's crucial to replenish lost fluids, and coconut water is an excellent, low-calorie alternative to sugary sports drinks. Adding it to your smoothie not only hydrates, but also aids in muscle recovery and prevents cramping. However, coconut water can be high in natural sugars, so it's important to choose unsweetened varieties to keep sugar levels in check. Many people mistakenly believe that all coconut water is created equal, but it's best to opt for fresh or minimally processed options. Another tip is to use coconut water ice cubes to chill your smoothie without watering it down. A common misunderstanding is that coconut water alone can replace meals, but it should be paired with other ingredients like spinach, bananas, or chia seeds for a well-rounded recovery drink. If you're on a low-potassium diet, consult a doctor before regularly consuming coconut water. How can you keep your smoothie low-calorie but full of flavor? It's easy to go overboard with smoothie ingredients, turning a healthy drink into a calorie-dense meal. After 40, maintaining a healthy weight becomes more challenging, so creating low-calorie yet satisfying smoothies is key. The trick is to use a base like water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water to keep calories in check. Many people mistakenly add sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, believing them to be healthier alternatives, but these can significantly increase your sugar intake. Instead, rely on natural sweetness from fruits like bananas or dates, which also add fiber. Another pro tip is to use vegetables like zucchini or cauliflower in place of high-sugar fruits for a creamy texture without the extra calories. These veggies blend easily and are nearly flavorless, but bulk up your smoothie and keep you feeling full. People often assume all smoothies are low-calorie, but being mindful of ingredients is key to keeping your smoothie healthy and weight-friendly. How can you make smoothies tastier with less sugar? One of the biggest mistakes people make when making smoothies is adding too much fruit, which increases the sugar content. While fruit offers valuable nutrients, overloading your smoothie with high glycemic options like bananas or mangoes can spike blood sugar levels. A great way to reduce sugar while maintaining flavor is to mix your fruits with protein or healthy fats. Adding avocado or almond butter balances the sweetness while providing lasting energy and satiety. Another great tip is to include spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla extract to enhance flavor without adding sugar. Many people misunderstand that natural sugar is still sugar, and too much fruit can lead to sugar crashes later in the day. Choose low glycemic fruits like berries, which are packed with antioxidants but won't spike your blood sugar. You can also swap out high sugar fruits for vegetables like carrots or pumpkin, which add natural sweetness without the added sugar load. Balance is key to keeping your smoothie healthy. What's the best time of day to drink these smoothies for maximum benefit? Timing is everything when it comes to maximizing the benefits of your smoothie. For instance, a green smoothie is an excellent choice first thing in the morning to boost digestion and detoxify your body, while a protein-packed smoothie is ideal post-workout to help with muscle recovery. Many people over 40 find that drinking a smoothie too late in the day, especially if it's high in sugars or heavy ingredients like dairy, can lead to digestive discomfort. The best approach is to tailor your smoothie to your daily routine and activity level. Morning smoothies should focus on hydration and light ingredients, while afternoon or post-workout smoothies can include protein and carbs for recovery. One pro tip is to prep your smoothie ingredients the night before, so you can easily blend them in the morning without hassle. This ensures you stick to healthier options and avoid impulsive, less healthy choices. Smoothies are versatile but work best when consumed at the right time. Some extra tips for you. Smoothies are an incredible way to enhance your health after 40, but it's important to make them wisely. Rotate your greens, be mindful of added sugars, and incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients like berries, protein, and healthy fats. Each smoothie can provide different health benefits, whether it's detoxification, muscle recovery, or reducing inflammation. So it's crucial to match the smoothie to your specific needs. One extra tip to supercharge your smoothies? Add a serving of collagen powder, which supports skin elasticity and joint health, two areas that become increasingly important as we age. With these strategies, smoothies can be a game changer in your health routine. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Learn low-sodium diet tips for better health over 40, reduce sodium, feel great, and stay healthy. Watch the next video here.